This is the Sonos Roam, the most versatile speaker Sonos has ever released, and I'm confident this is going to be their best-selling Sonos speaker to date, just because of how feature-rich this product is. You can stream music over Wi-Fi, you can stream it over Bluetooth, you have support for AirPlay 2, wireless charging, it's weather-resistant, the list goes on and on. I'm for sure going to explain those specs and features, but first let's see what's inside this box. I will say that this box looks and feels environmentally friendly with its recycled paper aesthetic. I think you got to tack on some brownie points for that, for whatever that is worth. Now, if we peel off the two flaps of tape holding this box together, we can lift off the top portion of the box to reveal the Sonos Roam wrapped up in a protective sheath. Underneath, we have some setup paperwork and get started information to help you, get this thing set up and running. And then we have a white USB-C charging cable below that. And that is all we have. Now, if we unwrap the Roam from its protective cloth pouch, we'll see the triangular cylindrical speaker that is the Sonos Roam. It's really not much smaller than my Nalgene water bottle. I don't really have any other thing in my studio that can be a very good indicator for how big or small it is. But yeah, it's about the size of my water bottle, weighing just shy of a pound. And it is predominantly plastic, which does cut the weight down quite a bit. And I would also say it cuts down on the price. There's some not so subtle Sonos branding on the side, along with the power button and USB-C charging port. And up top are music playback controls, including a microphone mute button that can be used to mute your digital assistant of your choice. Another appealing aspect with Sonos products is that they're really easy to set up, and the Roam is really no exception. You can go into your Sonos app, and chances are you'll see the option to add your Sonos Roam already there in the main settings department. From there, it's just a matter of walking through the prompts, tapping your phone against the speaker to pair it. If that doesn't work for some reason, you can type in the pin on the bottom of the speaker and it'll start connecting to your Wi-Fi and getting itself set up. The last step is where you can tune the speaker via TruePlay, and this is a feature that uses the microphones in the speaker to calibrate the sound based on the room that you are in. But if we take a step back, what made me rush to pre-order the speaker was its feature set. It has basically every feature one could possibly want in a traditional portable Bluetooth speaker. But since it's Sonos, you can also play music, high quality music, over your home Wi-Fi, and you can connect it to your other Sonos speakers. It even supports Apple AirPlay 2, so you can play music from your iPhone as yet another backup option in case you don't want to use the Sonos app or Bluetooth. But the first day I got the speaker, we had some friends over, and it was really easy for everyone to connect and play music. I was playing music over Wi-Fi with my Sonos app, but my buddy who wanted to play a song was able to connect to it through Bluetooth and Spotify without having to pair to it. He might have been connected to my Wi-Fi, so it automatically detected the speaker in his Spotify app. But still, needless to say, it's just super easy to connect and start playing content via the Roam. And what's also neat is that it has an IP67 water resistance rating, so you can submerge it in up to a meter of water for half an hour. So you don't have to worry about it being outside on a rainy day or next to a pool. We were using it outside and I had no worries. I mentioned earlier, it has a microphone to support your digital assistant of choice. You got Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa. It also supports Qi wireless charging. Now, it doesn't include a charging pad in the box, but you probably already have one in your home since almost everything nowadays supports wireless charging. But as for sound quality, the literal first song I played, I wasn't crazy impressed, I'm gonna be totally honest. But with speakers and headphones, you have to break them in a little bit. So after a couple hours of listening, I was really able to start to appreciate the sound quality. The bass became a lot more prominent. It's not overpowering by any means, but at first it seemed slightly underwhelming. So I'm definitely glad it decided to step up to the plate. We were all gathered around a fire at night listening to music with this speaker, and I don't know, I was just really impressed with the sound quality. And I will add that my Roam was at about 50% of power when I unboxed it, and I was able to play music nonstop from about 7 p.m. to about midnight. So, one can assume it'll get close to 10 hours of music playback on a single charge. You can also put it in a low power mode by pressing the power button once, and this will keep it ready to go for up to 10 days apparently. Another neat party trick is that you can play music with it standing up, or you can set it on its side and it'll actually reorient itself to output audio upwards instead of down into the surface it's on. And taking a step even further, it can be paired up with another Sonos Roam speaker to create a stereo pair. But sadly, I couldn't test that because I only have one Sonos Roam. But I gotta say, the icing on the cake is that this speaker is only $169, which is a lot more easy to stomach than Sonos's other portable speaker, the Sonos Move. So if you add up all the other features that this speaker has, and of course the sound quality, I think the Roam is gonna be a slam dunk in terms of sales. My guess is it'll probably be a lot of people's first Sonos product just because of how relatively inexpensive it is and just the huge array of features it offers that I think outcompetes many similar Bluetooth speakers in its price range. So I'm going to continue testing this speaker out, but let me know if you have any questions I didn't answer in the comments down below. As always, I'm BoHD from Slash.tv. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you right back here in the next one. See ya.